Morning, let me introduce myself. My name is Valentina Dika Primadani. You can call me Valen. Class 11, Welding Technique. I'm from Surakarta, Second Vocational High School. I will present about the GTAW Welding Gas Regulator.
GTAW welding gas regulator part. First, gas cylinder pressure manometer. Second, working pressure flow meter. Third, working gas flow control valve and gas type identification. The manometer is used to measure the gas pressure. The gas discharge measuring cup serves to measure the pressure of the gas discharge used by paying attention to the floating ball in it. Regulator valve serves to regulate the gas out. And the gas identifier serves to help the type of gas used.
So many presentations from me. If there are wrong words, please forgive. Thank you.